Hello and welcome back to my RC channel. I'm AndyRC and today I'm going to be picking a winner of the iFlight Nazgul5. I just want to thank everybody for participating in the competition, and what I really like about this one is that it got loads of views, and compared to the amount of people that actually entered the competition, it got way more views. And I want to thank you for watching the video, because I went along and did some freestyle with the Let's Drone Out guys and also Kelsey FPV, and that took some editing to put together, so it was really worth it as a video on its own without it being a competition. So I want to thank you for watching the video even though you didn't want to participate in the competition. Anyways, it's time to pick a winner, so I'm going to copy the URL. Then we're going to go to this random comment picker and then load the comments. Might take a while because, you know, above 2,000 comments, still a lot of comments for this system to deal with. So it might take a while until it reaches them all. So let's randomly pick a winner. Good luck to everybody. So there we go. We have got a winner, J Matlock. Says Nazgul iFlight, us making us awesome stuff. You are not wrong there, and congratulations, Jay Matlock. So what you need to do, Jay, is if you put your email address in the comments of this video, and we will take it from there. So yes, everybody congratulate Jay. I wish I could give everybody this model because it is superb. But thanks for taking part, and as always, thanks so much for watching. Please continue to subscribe. Cheers.